Hi, I am Jill Kate Cabilto, a marketing management student. So for today, we're going to talk about some issues. So first, how has globalization impacted the environment? So globalization is like a powerful wave that connects the entire world through trade, communication, and cultural exchange. It brought many benefits like faster access to goods, more job opportunities, and the sharing of advanced technology. But just like any strong force, it comes with serious consequences, especially to our environment. On the good side, globalization helped raise awareness about environmental issues. So for example, green technology like solar panels and electric vehicles can now reach developing countries faster. Because of global cooperation, there are now international efforts to fight climate change, like Paris Agreement, where countries agreed to reduce harmful emissions. Environmental campaigns and eco-friendly practices spread more easily now thanks to global media and international organizations. However, globalization has also caused major damage to our environment. So since companies want to meet global demand, they build more factories and use more resources. This leads to deforestation, pollution, and massive carbon emissions from transporting goods worldwide. Yung mga bansang may hirap na pipilitan minsan na ibenta ang mga likas na yaman nila just to survive economically, even if it means destroying their own forests, rivers, and oceans. Another problem is overconsumption. Because of the influence of global trends and advertisements, people tend to buy more and waste more. Single-use plastics, fast fashion, and food waste have become global problems. And sadly, some big corporations take advantage of countries with weak environmental laws, dumping waste or exploiting cheap labor without regard for nature. So yes, globalization brings development, but if we're not careful, it can also bring distraction. We must find balance. Let's use globalization to spread sustainability, not just consumerism. Because at the end of the day, we only have one planet, and no amount of global success is worth it if our Earth is dying. So next, what is your opinion about world poverty? What do you think are the reasons and solutions? For me, world poverty is one of the most heartbreaking realities we face today. It's not just about people not having money. It's about people being denied the chance to live a decent and comfortable life. It's about kids who can't go to school, families who can't afford to eat 3 times a day, and communities who don't even have a clean water. There are many reasons behind poverty. One major reason is historical injustice. Many poor countries were once colonized and stripped of their resources. Hanggang ngayon, nararamdaman pa rin natin ang epekto ng panahong iyon. Another reason is corruption. When leaders steal public funds that should go to schools, hospitals, and jobs, it's the people who suffer the most. The global system is also unfair. Rich countries control most of trade rules, while poorer countries struggle to compete and often get the short end of the deal. Lack of education is another huge factor. When children are forced to work instead of study, they lose the chance to get better jobs in the future. Poverty then becomes a cycle that is very hard to escape. Sometimes, even if people work hard, their wages are too low to live properly. But there are solutions. Education, especially for girls, is one of the most powerful tools we have. Educated women tend to have smaller, healthier families, and they often help lift their communities out of poverty. Microfinance and small business support can also help families become self-sufficient. Imagine how many lives can change with just small loan or opportunity. Good governance is also key. When leaders are honest and prioritize the needs of the people, real progress can happen. There should also be fair trade, where farmers and workers are paid fairly for their products and labor. And most importantly, we need to change how we think about the poor. Hindi sila tamad, hindi sila kulang sa sipag. They just lack access to the same resources and opportunities that others have. Poverty is not a personal failure. It is often the result of a system that is deeply unequal. If we want a better world, we need to lift each other's up, not just with donations, but with real, sustainable change through education, fairness, compassion, and justice.